Hello, have you ever thought about how money works? We usually use metal coins or paper banknotes, but imagine if there were a digital treasure, invisible and magical, that lives only inside computers. This is Bitcoin. But how do we know whose Bitcoin these are if they can't be touched? Simple. There is a great magic book shared by thousands of computers around the world. Every time someone exchanges a Bitcoin, the ledger records it so that everyone can see it. No one can cheat or erase what is written. The most incredible thing? You don't need a bank to control it. It's as if you could send a gift to a friend on the other side of the world instantly, without asking for permission from anyone. It is a system made by people, for people. And do you know why it is precious? Because just like real gold, there is not an infinite amount of it. There will only be 21 million bitcoins in the entire universe. This makes it special and rare, like a super hard to find collectible card. Bitcoin is the money of the future, secure, global, and digital. Welcome to the world of tomorrow.